So healthcare providers have three key challenges. The first being the need to increase revenue, with reimbursement declining for many of them in many categories, and new incentives and a shift to pay for performance and value-based reimbursement. Then they see it coming and they need to respond now and be ready and be able to close that revenue gap. The second big challenge facing healthcare providers relates to quality. Being able to improve quality, track quality, manage all the quality metrics that are put in place by CMS and important to customers both at the employer level but also individual consumers. And then the third are systems issues. You know, it's a challenge to implement the healthcare IT solutions that are available. A challenge both because they're expensive but also because there are many of them, and making it all work together when you have a different system for your ambulatory care than your in-house care, and challenges like that are facing the healthcare provider community, and they're not easy to solve. They have to think carefully about resource allocation and getting the best return on those assets and being productive and having high quality standards. And none of that is easy, especially when your customer base is struggling with being able to even afford your services. So they're wanting to find more efficient, more cost-effective solutions, pushing you to go from a fee-for-service model to a performance-based and value-based model. And in that context, you have really no choice other than to try to improve your operations, be more competitive, find a better solution. Thinking carefully about your sales and marketing strategy. How is it that you bring those products and services to market? And can you make changes there to improve and close that revenue gap? Because I think there's huge opportunity there. How to use incentives in ways that you can truly drive superior performance. And that's something that I would say only the top few percent today are doing. And the ones that are, they're having great success with it. A third big area of opportunity for them relates specifically to how they compete within the marketplace. That's thinking explicitly about a local community that you operate in, who you're really competing with, how you're competing for those dollars, and steps you can take now in terms of where you want to play, how you're going to win versus the competition.